Hi there, I'm excited to invite you to join our course Python Basics for Beginners from Scratch. The beauty of this course is that all you need is phone. You can learn Python easily with our modern mobile platform. In the summer, you can learn in nature on trips during breaks, or you can use your laptop or computer if you prefer. The course objectives are designed to help you acquire basic understanding of Python programming language and its role in web-based graphics application development. You'll gain introductory knowledge of PyPy, Python implementation of the popular processing library, and learn how to access Python and PyPy through a web-based platform. Our course is designed for beginners, so no prior programming experience is required. We focus on a practical, hands-on learning with an emphasis on using a PyPy library for creating graphics, animations, and handling user interactivity. We'll cover everything from basic Python syntax and data types to creating your first graphic application and even distributing your application. Each week you will complete practical exercises related to the topics covered in the theory classes. These exercises will guide you through the process of creating and refining your own casual games using Python on your mobile devices. The course will culminate in a final project where you will develop and present your own mobile-friendly game. So come join us and let's take this exciting journey into Python programming together. See you in class.